Alright, Miley. So, what do we do?
We got to take the box somewhere where no one can find it and destroy it.
But, Miley, that puzzle box belonged to my brother. If you really don't want it anymore, just give it to me.
Tracy, this is dangerous. If anyone else stumbled upon this, it could kill them.
Miley, I'm not letting you destroy that.
Tracy, I'm really sorry about your brother, but I think this is what could have killed him. What the fuck, Tracy?